In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new template in Todoist. Templates are a great way to save time and stay consistent, especially if you find yourself creating the same kind of project over and over again. For example, or maybe you run the same weekly content plan, a monthly review checklist, or a standard onboarding process for new clients or team members. Instead of rebuilding that project from scratch every time, you can turn it into a reusable template in just a few clicks. First, open Todoist and navigate to the project you want to turn into a template. This could be an existing project you've already set up with tasks, subtasks, due dates, and sections, or it could be a new project that you've created specifically to use as a template. Before you save it, take a moment to review the project and make sure everything is organized the way you want. Check your task names, the order of tasks, and any notes or descriptions you've added. The cleaner and clearer your project is now, the more useful your template will be later. Once you've selected the project, look to the top right corner of the project view. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu contains a set of actions related to your project, and this is where Todoist hides the template option. From the drop-down menu that appears, find and click on the option that says Save as New Template. When you select this, Todoist will create a template based on the current state of that project. All of the tasks, their structure, and the organization inside that project will be captured in the template. Depending on your version of Todoist and your settings, you may be asked to confirm, or you might see options to save it to your account or export it. If you're given a chance to name your template, choose something descriptive that you'll recognize later, like Weekly Content Plan or New Hire Onboarding. A clear name makes it much easier to find and reuse the template when you need it. After you've saved it, your template is ready to go. The next time you want to use that same structure, you won't need to rebuild anything. You can simply create a new project and apply your saved template, letting Todoist instantly recreate all of those tasks for you.